Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a question that many of you might have wondered: what happens if you do push-ups every day? Push-ups are one of the simplest and most effective exercises that you can do to build upper body strength and endurance. By doing push-ups on a daily basis, you will see a number of physical and mental benefits that can have a positive impact on your overall health and wellness. First of all, doing push-ups every day will increase your upper body strength and tone your arms, chest, and shoulders. Over time, you'll see a noticeable improvement in your upper body definition, making you look and feel stronger. In addition to building upper body strength, push-ups can also improve your core stability, as you engage your abs and lower back during each repetition. This can help to prevent back pain and improve posture, as well as enhance your athletic performance in other sports or activities. Another benefit of doing push-ups every day is that they can increase cardiovascular fitness, as it is a form of resistance training that can increase your heart rate and improve your lung capacity. This can help to reduce your risk of heart disease and improve your overall fitness level. Finally, doing push-ups every day can have a positive impact on your mental health as well. Regular exercise has been shown to improve mood, reduce stress and anxiety, and boost self-esteem and confidence. And because push-ups are a simple, low-impact exercise that can be done anywhere, they are a convenient and effective way to boost your overall well-being. So, there you have it. These are just a few of the many benefits that you can expect to see if you do push-ups every day. Of course, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase the number of push-ups that you do each day, to avoid injury and ensure that you're getting the most out of this exercise. Here are the steps for a basic push-up. Start in a plank position with your hands placed shoulder-width apart on the ground. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your body. Your chest should almost touch the ground. Push your body back up to the starting position by straightening your arms. Repeat this movement for the desired number of repetitions. It's important to maintain proper form throughout the entire push-up, as this will maximize the benefits and minimize the risk of injury. Keep your back straight, avoid sagging in the middle or arching your back, and engage your core muscles to maintain stability. If you're a beginner, you can start by doing push-ups on your knees instead of your toes to make the exercise easier. As you get stronger, you can gradually progress to doing push-ups on your toes. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase the number of push-ups that you do each day, to avoid injury and ensure that you're getting the most out of this exercise. Here are some of the different types of push-ups that you can try. Classic push-up, the most basic form of push-up. This exercise targets your chest, triceps, and core muscles. Close grip push-up, similar to the classic push-up, this variation targets your triceps more intensely by keeping your hands closer together. Wide grip push-up, this variation targets your chest and shoulders more intensely by keeping your hands wider apart. Diamond push-up, similar to close grip push-ups, this variation targets your triceps by placing your hands together to form a diamond shape. Decline push-up, this variation targets your upper chest and shoulders by elevating your feet on a raised surface, such as a bench or step. Elevated push-up, this variation targets your chest and triceps by elevating your hands on a raised surface, such as a bench or stability ball. Spider-Man push-up, this variation targets your chest, triceps, and core by adding a knee drive toward the elbow on each repetition. These are just a few examples of the many different types of push-ups that you can try. By incorporating variety into your push-up routine, you can target different muscle groups and keep your workouts fresh and challenging. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips, and I'll see you at the next video.